Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make vegetable ragi soup. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need about 1/4 cup of ragi flour, a cup of mixed vegetables like carrots, beans, and peas, and 1 small onion. Don't forget a clove of garlic, a pinch of ginger, and a few aromatic spices such as cumin and turmeric. A tablespoon of ghee or healthy oil will complete your list. Now let's get our vegetables ready. Thoroughly wash all your chosen vegetables under running water. Then carefully chop them into small, uniform pieces. Dicing them ensures they cook evenly and blend beautifully into the soup. For example, cut carrots into tiny cubes and finely chop your beans. This preparation step is key for a smooth and delicious cooking experience, saving you time later. Next, we'll start cooking our soup base. Heat 1 tablespoon of ghee or your preferred healthy oil in a medium-sized pot over medium heat. Add your finely chopped onions and minced garlic, sautéing them until they become fragrant and translucent, which takes about 2 to 3 minutes. Then, toss in your prepared vegetables and cook for another 5 to 7 minutes, stirring occasionally. Finally, let's bring it all together. Gradually pour the ragi flour slurry into the pot, stirring continuously to prevent lumps. Now, add about 3 cups of water or vegetable broth, depending on your desired consistency. Bring the soup to a gentle boil, then reduce the heat and let it simmer for about 10 minutes, allowing the ragi to cook thoroughly. Season with salt, pepper, and a squeeze of fresh lemon juice before serving warm.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.